Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're at trustedshopguy.com and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best wood lathes. Whether you're into oak or walnut, with wood lathes you can turn your favorite wood type into a chic, classic, and statement piece that'll look great in your living room, kitchen, or even office. In this video, we'll link you up with the 5 best options for your workshop projects. The team at trustedshopguy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the wood lathe that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our best options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first best wood lathe in our list is the Jet JWL 1840 EVS. With easy-to-reach and easy-to-master controls, the Jet JWL 1840 EVS has established its name among professional woodworkers. It features a secure anti-rotation key incorporated into the improved tailstock quill locking system, and you can enjoy a hands-free or one-handed operation courtesy of this spindle lock latch. With a speed of 40 to 3,000 revolutions per minute, it's quite understandable that it's hefty with its 57 by 31 by 28 inch profile and a weight of 418 pounds. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Jet JW 1840 EVS a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: comfortable and versatile. You can adjust the height of the lathe to maximize comfort while working with big pieces by toggling 4-inch cast iron risers. If you're left-handed or you're working with someone who uses the machine in a different way, the headstock slides and Acme threads will make sure that the movement stays smooth and easy. Extended spindle nose housing. The dual headstock spindle bearings are housed in the extended spindle nose to accommodate strong radial and single directional axial forces, making sure the shaping remains sleek and precise. Multiple locks and protection. To firmly hold the tool post, this unit features a non-marring, positive locking wedge system. On top of that, the inverter is enclosed with post-locking mechanisms made to preserve the strength of all the other components year after year. Safe and convenient. Along the length of the lathe bed, there's a remote emergency stop button that you can also place near the easily accessible digital readout, the versatile leg-mounted tool holder, and the modern headstock locking handle that can be operated from the front so you won't have to readjust the machine after every use. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the original package doesn't have its own drill chuck, so make sure to choose the option with a drill chuck if you're going to use other cutting instruments. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for woodworkers who like to shorten their cutting time while working with big pieces. The second best wood lathe in our list is the Jet JW 1640 EVS. There's no denying new JWL 1640 VS electronic variable speed woodworking lathe stands out with its cutting-edge technology. It boasts a movable headstock with 7 preset positions, and it pivots 360 degrees so you can easily flip larger objects like bowls or trays. The 57 by 31 by 28 inch frame packs a weight of 377 pounds with a speed it runs from 40 to 3,200 revolutions per minute. TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded the Jet JWL 1640 EVS a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high-quality tailstock. To improve movement, accuracy, and setup, the tailstock uses a high-quality, time-tested Acme thread and a new wedge locking system that makes it possible to attach to the lathe firmly and securely. Strong headstock. Providing excellent torque over a broad range of speeds, the headstock is powered by a 1.1 kilowatt motor to increase the swing for precise cuts. It also has 36 indexing points, allowing you to carve with more precise geometry and patterns. Extended spindle motor. Offering a stronger grasp and increased stability, the extended spindle nose has dual bearings that guarantee your workspace is good for any kind of wood. Comfortable speed regulation. The frequency inverter has an integrated EMI filter linked to the digital display on the headstock's front side to make it easy to intensify or slow down the speed. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, this model does not have a rotating head, so you'll have to slide your item in from the edges. Some workshop enthusiasts also suggest buying an extension attachment if you tend to handle fragile objects. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for someone who likes creating intricate details in wood projects. The third best wood lathe in our list is the PSI Woodworking KWL 1018 VS Midi lathe. If you're looking for a versatile and holistic package, the PSI Woodworking KWL 1018 VS Midi lathe is a delightful surprise. Out of the box, you're getting a 3-inch faceplate, knockout rod, Phillips screwdriver, tailstock handle and bolt, convenient built-in handles and safety goggles, that'll help you avoid going back and forth on your workspace and tool shelf. As for dimensions, it weighs 82 pounds with a 32 by 9 by 17-inch profile. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the PSI Woodworking KWL 1018 VS Midi lathe a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: strong horsepower. This unit offers precise control and long-lasting reliability thanks to its 3/4 high-performing horsepower engine and a SBC CPU designed for automotive applications. Easy to see details. You can develop and use your sharp eye even when you're working on the most complex piece with the help of the convenient work light attached to the 18-inch flex cable. Secure and convenient. It has 24 indexing positions with a spindle lock to make sure that the work area is secure while you're doing intricate shapes and patterns. On top of that, you can turn projects up to 43 inches, courtesy of the optional extension bed and sturdy cast iron base. Digital measure. Featuring a digital readout, this product will make sure that you're not getting carried away while accomplishing your project, and you can easily toggle the speed. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, though offering variable speed, this unit doesn't operate automatically, so you'll have to manually change the power. We'll also recommend using some trial materials first if you're not acquainted with what speed works with the kind of wood you'll work with. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for workshop enthusiasts who love making dainty yet precise designs. The 4th best wood lathe in our list is the Excelsior Mini Lathe. If the Excelsior Mini Lathe is made around the 80s, it would be the model of the idiom small but terrible. With a weight of less than 1 pound and a 6-inch tool rest, 3-inch faceplate, and 1-inch spindle, you'll be quite surprised with the results it brings. This model features a spur center on the headstock, a ball-bearing life center on the tailstock, and cam-locking ratcheting adjustment levers for maximum convenience and security. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Excelsior Mini Lathe a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: durable construction. Unlike options with an aluminum body, the cast iron profile delivers bulk for little vibration, stable turning, and optimum durability. Powerful motor. Thanks to its sturdy cast iron frame, powerful 372 horsepower engine, and precision machined ball bearing life center, this turning machine can rival bigger lathes, and you can use it for smaller details in a big project. Versatile applications. This lathe is ideal for chair legs, small table legs, and a variety of decorative turnings since it can turn bowls almost 10 inches in diameter and it spindles up to 17 3/4 of an inch in length. 5-speed options. Whether you're willing to work hours on end or you need to present a project in less than an hour, the 5-speed options have got your back. You can choose between 760, 1100, 1600, 2200, or 3200 revolutions per minute, whichever suits your needs. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, even when you're working with hefty material, Excelsior still suggests working with the lowest speed during the first use to make sure you're not cutting out too big of a piece. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to anyone who likes working with furniture and accessories piece by piece instead of all at once. The 5th best wood lathe in our list is the Shop Fox W1704 Benchtop Lathe. With its sleek and clean profile, you can easily tell that the Shop Fox W1704 Benchtop Lathe is made with careful attention to detail, robustly constructed parts, and strict quality control to guarantee reliable operations. This one's made with a 13-inch gap between centers, an 18-inch swing over the bed, and a tool rest that extends from 4.5 to 7 inches, making it perfect for a range of projects where you would need to turn a lot, like plates and discs. As for the size, it is 7.1 by 27.9 by 13.7 inches with a weight of 49.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Shop Fox W1704 Benchtop Lathe a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: smooth construction. The cast iron body will make sure that the wood won't stick to the machine, so you can use the surface even with raw and unpolished wood. Easy to turn off. If you notice that your piece is not turning the way you want it to, or the lathe is thinning out your material a bit too much, you can simply press the security paddle switch to safely turn off the operation. Reliable motor. This lathe offers spindle speeds between 700 and 3,200 revolutions per minute and has a 1/3 horsepower variable speed motor, so you can work with dense wood without having to chop it again and again. Convenient faceplate. For non-spindle turning, it has a 5 3/4 inch faceplate that screws onto the headstock spindle, making it ideal for items that cannot be propped from the tailstock, such as bowls and curved coasters. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, some users find that the tailstock is a bit rough and difficult to glide on, so we suggest sanding it first. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who are already used to using wood lathes or other big woodworking machines. And there you have it, folks, our best wood lathes, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next wood lathe roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that I can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.